Often during the course of representation or before representation, we receive questions as family law attorneys about spousal maintenance, or what used to be termed as alimony. For the purpose of this video, I'll be discussing what we look at when individuals who wish to receive alimony or spousal maintenance schedule a consultation with us. Oftentimes, spousal maintenance depends on whether there's a disparity in the income of the two individual parties. A disparity means a difference. For example, one person may be earning $10,000 a month, and the other person has earned $2,000 a month throughout the course of the marriage. Another matter that we also discuss is what money or what you will need in the future after the divorce. So what your expenses are now and during the course of the marriage, and what your expenses and your budget will be once the dissolution is complete. And we take a look at all of that to decide whether or not you're in need of spousal maintenance and for what particular amount.